In this video I would like to say a few words about nouns with general number. General number means that there actually is no distinction between the singular and the plural, and several Somali nouns only have one form. There isn't a separate singular and a separate plural form. And this single form doesn't say anything about the number of objects that we are referring to. So, for example, the Somali noun moose, it doesn't mean a banana, it doesn't mean one banana, and it doesn't mean many bananas either. It is an abstraction away from the number of items. So it just means the kind of object that we are referring to. Well, one should maybe just try not to think about number at all when it comes to these Somali nouns. And this is especially common when it comes to fruit and vegetables in Somali. But there are a few other nouns that behave in a similar way. For example, the noun kallun, fish, that can refer to one piece of fish or many animals. It happens that the English word fish doesn't add an S either, but it's probably not really the same thing that is going on in Somali and English. Other nouns that have this general number or no number distinction are, as I said, many fruits, vegetables, and a few other edible things. For example, apple, carrot, cookies, and so on. It's quite a big group of nouns in Somali that behave like this. Uncountable, they cannot be directly preceded by a numeral. Instead, the word habbo, meaning piece or item, is inserted between the numeral and the noun, denoting the item that is being counted. And then also the verb form being, that is added afterwards. So in order to say one banana, you actually need to say one item that is banana. And two bananas has to be two items that are banana. And a few of these nouns can actually manage without habbo, so that a numeral can be added directly before the noun. But since these nouns are uncountables, the verb form has to be added afterwards. So 7 candies, 7 drops, sweets, has to be todoba. 7 that are sweets, 7 things that are sweets. And only very, very few nouns of this type do actually manage without even this and for example, kallun is a word that practically behaves like a countable noun when it comes to adding numerals. So you can say afar kallun for fish. Yeah, so that's all I had to say about these nouns with general number.